Welcome to this series I'm calling the 2008 Prevost Shakedown Trip. No big deal, I guess. Don't like losing money. We traveled from Texas to Florida and back. While we were at Camp Margaritaville last week, we celebrated the things we've done with our coaches with some great friends who most of you know by now. Even our little Axel pup with his crazy ears got into the spirit of RV life by experiencing new places and making new friends. This guy has been playing in the dog park, playing with Rusty for a long while, and he is exhausted, which is a great thing for travel day. This week we're leaving Margaritaville and headed to the Motorcoach Resort of Fort St. Lucie West, in Florida, of course. Then after we share these places that we're going to share what we've learned about the coach, what we're doing, and maybe what we plan to do. We enjoyed both old, new, and wonderfully unexpected friends. A surprise visit to the Prevost Plus extravaganza in Ocala, Florida. Alright, I'm going to say goodbye to our baby. Supposedly it sold yesterday. Not to mention a surprise from Andrew Steele.
This is possibly the nicest 99 Prevost Marathon coach in existence.
I'm shocked at what the inside looks like.
Our next major stop on our shakedown trip is the Motorcoach Resort of Fort St. Lucie West in Florida. This is super nice, having your own little backyard behind your site. Super nice. Isn't that right? Oh, I thought you were doing your business. What are you doing, puppy? Eating bark? You don't need that. I'm at the dog park. I found it. So this is the dog park. And this gives you a little glimpse of where we are. I bought something I've never bought before for a dog. And it's a system where you're supposed to be able to communicate with the dog. Well, the dog communicate with you better by pressing buttons. So what I bought was highly recommended. The reviews were fantastic, and it is called Fluent Pet. So this is it. Let's teach them to talk. You have these shapes, and these come out so you can put your button on there. And there's different colors because you're supposed to keep your words that are similar. For example, different outside words here or play words here. Something about food or water, things like that here and on a different color. And then you can buy more. But this is just the starter kit. So there's 2 buttons and I record the word that I want him to learn. So the main one that I want to do right now is I want to know when he needs to go outside.
I need to potty outside.
Did you hear that? Because I already recorded it to practice, but I'll show you how I did it. So we're going to see how this works for that little 6-month-old over there. He just turned 6 months a couple of days ago. Alright, here's the button. It's run by a battery, of course, and you press this little switch up to put it in record mode, and then you press and hold it and say the word you want. So when he needs to go out, we use the word potty. You need to go potty. So I'm going to do that. Potty. And then I have to put it on the play button or play mode.
Potty.
There. Now let's just use this middle one. Put the button in there. I guess I could have said I need to potty, but I just said potty. Now it says to put it in an area that's he's around a lot, like in the kitchen or in the living room, something like that. And to preferably don't move it. Keep it in the same area. So here in the coach, let me think. Where would be the best place? The slides come in. When we're traveling, he usually sits or lays down right here, or he'll lay right there on the couch. This is closed in. I thought I would put it down here. Oh, he's pawing it already. Can you press it? Good boy. Praise them when they're interested in it.
Potty.
Good boy. Yeah, that might be too hard for him to reach down there.
Potty.
This may not be a good idea. I thought it might be. Maybe my idea of under the booth would be better, or right by the booth, because I typically put his bed here and toy box over there. So maybe right here.
Potty.
What was that?
Potty.
He is interested in it. The instructions said that some dogs take weeks to be interested. Here's their website, and I'm going through the guide.
Potty.
Do you need to go potty? Let's see. We'll see if he tears it up. We're at the biggest heart statue in the world. Oh my gosh, there's a reflection, y'all. And anyway, I can't even think now. That caught me off guard. And it is big. Stainless steel heart. Biggest in the world. We ate at Sara's Kitchen and Bar, and it was delicious food, and the price wasn't bad either. I forgot to get pictures of the food, but trust me, it was really good.
Bronco pictures.
Broncos are the best, and then there's a Jeep.
There's the baby Jeep.
There's a baby Jeep. Look at the baby Jeep.
The only thing's not baby, you got that Jeep is the engine.
There's them.
Yeah, yeah. One of the evenings, Prevost hosted a spectacular social event at the community building and showcased the Prevost H Shell for all to see.
take you just the way you are.
We're making burgers. But yeah, I got the cook in there. I got Cal in there. Oh, now Mike has to get in the picture. And Mark has to get in the picture. And Axel has to get in the picture. Good morning. It's travel day and we're on our way to Titusville. So one more look at our two lots. This is Mike and Michelle's. This is really nice. It's up by the street, the road. We used it quite a bit. And then here's their tiki hut. It has a kitchen, as you can see right over there. And we love these this furniture because neither one of us had ever seen one that has a footrest and it goes back like a, like a lazy boy. So it was very comfortable, very nice. I don't know what brand it is. Couldn't find a label. But this is theirs. We loved having that area in the back where we could take the dogs out to do their business. That was very handy. The lighting here at night's gorgeous. I should have gotten some of that, but I didn't. And then ours is over there. Here's Hal and Donna's site. It's, as you can see, a pull in. And it faces the golf course. And there's Hal right there. And they have a beautiful, beautiful Liberty and a beautiful Bronco Raptor. Somebody got my chair. What you doing? You gonna get down? Thank you. That was in unison. It's like they're dancing. Join us next time where it's cold. I was expecting more. Then continue with us through our 2008 Prevost Shakedown Trip series, where we'll attend the first Prevost Plus extravaganza, say goodbye to our old girl a little bit. Then we're going to share what we think about our new coach, what worked, what didn't work, what we can live with and what we can't, and what we had to fix, and what we will fix or modify to better fit our needs. See you next time.